Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I know it's been a while. Been a little sick, but I'm back now. Now with this is Webtalk Rewards update. All right. Now our CEO RJ Garbage came out with the update a couple days ago, and we launching a new rewards app. All right, and I'm gonna be going over that right now. All right, but it's rolling out in phases. All right, first we are rolling out the integration with PayPal for pro upgrades and rewards payments. All right, and then we will roll out the new rewards website and rewards back office. And what's new in phase one? So this is gonna be phase one. All right, and I believe this was rolled back to April 14th of next month. All right, now this is going to be the new $5 sign up bonus that I've been talking about, and this is a one-time retroactive. All right, now this is all going to add up over time. All right, and then the new $5 sign up bonus for each rewards member referral. So that's $5 per referral that signs up with the rewards program, and that's free. There's no there's no payment required for that. All right, so that's free money each time, $5. Think about that. That's going to add up over time. And now there's a new tiered 5 level bonus structure. All right, there's a new rewards member referral link in the landing page. There's going to be a new digital marketing access, banner ads, social buttons, social media banners and videos. There's a new charts and graphs. There's going to be 3 new income calculators. You're going to get paid for using PayPal. Get paid using PayPal. Webtalk credits, TransferWire, and Coinbase are going to be added next. There's going to be a new rewards community. Instantly chat with enrolled rewards members within your referral network. New community video gallery. Share your tips and tricks for Webtalk Rewards and gain valuable insight and how-tos from your peers. And then content views tracker, a stunning new design for the entire rewards program. All right, let's see here. And this is the rest of the updates. And this is how it pretty much is going to look for the landing page. All right, now if you're interested, definitely I highly recommend signing up. It's free of charge. Go ahead and click the link below. Thank you and have a good one.